Hey, how's it going? It's Chris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a ringless voicemail broadcast. So what is a ringless voicemail? What is a ringless broadcast? So what it allows you to do is to record an audio or send a text-to-speech audio, essentially deliver an audio message right to someone's voicemail inbox. So effectively skips the inbox and then boom, an audio message drops to voicemail. So really cool feature. It's built into sales message. You can use it all over the place, but let me show you what it looks like from a broadcast. So the first thing is you can create an audio in a lot of different ways. One, you can upload an audio. You can select an existing audio to send. You can also record an audio right from your computer. You can select your speaker, your microphone, record an audio, save it, and then use that audio. Or you could do text to speech. So maybe, you want to use a text to speech voice, or more importantly, one of the cool things you can do is actually clone your voice. So let's just go here. Hey there, your appointment is today. Okay. Right. Whatever audio you want to create or whatever text you want to create, we give you a whole set of voices, basic, premium, clone your voice. So let's just go here. I'm going to choose Kevin and let's listen to it.
Hey there, your appointment is today.
Right. Sounds like a kid, but in any event, you can choose whichever voice you want. It sounds really good. Or you can actually clone your voice. So what you do is you can just read a little script and we take your voice, we transcode it, and we can turn your voice into text. So it sounds like you, and that, hey there, your appointment is at, it now actually is using your voice. Really, really cool tech. So highly recommend you use that if you want to clone yourself. So with broadcast, you can choose, well, where do we want to send it from? So one of the things we have is dynamic sender. So if I own a contact in sales message, I want the caller ID to show up as my number. If Mike owns it, I want the caller ID to show as Mike's caller ID or Mike's phone number. So when they call back, it gets routed to the owner, right? Really cool, very dynamic way to deliver the messages. We also have the ability to do local presence. So on an inbox, we have marketing. Local presence is, hey, I've got my contacts is a 561. We have a 561 phone number. So match that area code. So the caller ID on Ringless is that area code. Or if I've got a whole group of numbers, you don't want your, caller ID to a contact in 561 to show 310, right? Florida versus California. So local presence can do that. So in this case, we're just going to select this. I can select the contacts, right? Not just, hey, only these contacts, but I can sort and filter and add and or, right? I can add all sorts of different conditions to like slice and dice my contacts. I can also choose this on all sets of data. So contact data, custom field data, geolocation, activity, phone checker status. So like, is it a valid phone number? On numbers, on segments, which you can create segments. You can also do it on HubSpot lists. So if you have a list in HubSpot, hey, select that list and boom, we want to send it to those people. So I'm just going to apply it. We've got 10 contacts and we can do that, right? So 9 of 10 contacts. One we're going to skip because they're unsubscribed. We're going to validate before because we only want to send it to valid numbers. Maybe there's numbers in here that are just invalid. So we've got that built in. And then when we do send this out, hey, who do we want to assign this to? We've got settings on the inbox, or, you can assign it to a particular person. You can also schedule immediately. You can schedule it for later. You could do recurring, right? And we give you all sorts of different options. So send immediately. You can restrict it during certain hours. You can also set up advanced scheduling. So maybe you only want, hey, I only want 150 contacts per day on these dates, and I want it to go on their time zone. Again, you can restrict hours. So only during these hours from 9 to 5, anything outside of that, hey, let's continue the next day. Maybe you need to schedule it for later. You can do that. And again, all these options here, or you can do recurring, right? So there's all these really cool things you can do with broadcasting, with Ringless. It's a great channel. Our customers are always surprised that it actually works. So anyhow, hope you appreciate it and love to hear your feedback. See ya.